Nobody wants to go kayaking. I don't know where they are. Old solo Tallulah lap. All right, week after green race. It's November 12th, high water day, and point crew's already done out here on Tallulah, and I don't know, it's like nobody wants to go kayaking today. Nobody's in the parking lot. Well, there's people in the parking lot. Nobody's hiked down. You can see most of the way up the stairs. Not even a person on the step. So point crew went, and I'm second in. Then I'm the only one in here. That's cool. Yeah, I'm alone. Love that move. So I want to say it was like sometime last year there was a landslide that came in there, dropped that boulder in, and it's like one of the first like major modifications to a riverbed I've ever seen that actually turns out really sick. You get a sick little move or a free wheel spot. Kind of missed the boulder at the bottom, but it looks janky, but it's clean.